Let's do a horn test right here. Oh wow! It's a very British Easter egg right there. I like it. It's very retro. Wow, sounds like a spaceship. Brake feel is pretty good. This A-pillar is a bit of a hindrance. By far, I think this is one of the fun electric vehicles that I've driven. It drives like a Mini. Hey guys, here we have the all-new Mini Cooper, and this is the electric version that we are going to be driving. But before we do that, let's go ahead and check out the exterior and interior first. So you can see this red hot chili color. I love it. It's so bright and it looks so good. Like, it's still so small. It retains that iconic Mini design. You just get smooth body lines throughout. They're embracing minimalism, so you can see little design details that make it a cohesive design. You get 18-inch alloy wheels with black surrounds and these nice little accents. The round headlights still remain in the Mini Cooper. Now it's a little bit bigger and now full LED. You don't get a grille for the electric version, though you get a Neon S green badge. You do get cooling down below for the electric motors and the air conditioning. If we move to the side, you can see the flush door handle, an upright rear design tailgate. You can see the taillights are new for this generation. Does have a matrix style design to it. Does remind me of a specific Marvel character. Check out the boot space. So there's a touchpad right there. This is the cargo space that you get. There's an underfloor storage, but mainly for some items only. There's no spare tire. Just get a tire fix kit. You got this tonneau cover, 60/40 rear folding seats. Quite practical, if you ask me, for a small electric city car. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. This is the bucket seats. You do get blue accent stitching. If you pull this, the seat will automatically move forward. And if we hop in, oh okay, it's a bit of a squeeze. What do you expect? This is a Mini Cooper. So if you put it back, the seat will automatically go to its previous setting. Now this is set to somebody's driving position, though I have just enough legroom. Footroom I have enough as well. Headroom I have this much, thanks to the upright C-pillar. Now you can see this is the view. It only seats 4 people and there's no center armrest right here. You do get a single cup holder here and this adjustable or slidable center compartment. This is the dash design, again with that minimalist theme. Let's move ahead and go to the front to take it for a drive. The doors are pretty large, frameless design, and feels solid as well. There's this interesting mesh pattern right here on the door cards. You also get this very interesting design with Harman Kardon speaker on the doors. This is the interior. Again, this is the key. It has the Mini stamped on the back, and in front you have your logo. This locks the vehicle. On the side you have your unlock, your trunk release, and your light switch. Pretty sleek. It looks nice. So just have the key inside the vehicle. You will notice that the air conditioning is already on. That's the pre-cooling system. Just put your foot on the brake and twist this key to power on the vehicle. Once you do that, you get that notification sound that the vehicle is ready. You also get a heads-up display, which also shows your speed, your power, and your battery. It also shows in a very cool diagram. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. You get this floating OLED 9.5 screen, the first in the industry. So it does feature Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have your navigation built in. Now for the driving modes, you have various settings. You have your go-kart, and it will also play a notification sound. There's also green. There you go. Embracing the electric personality of this vehicle. And it's vivid. Now the center console, it's pretty low actually. You have 2 cup holders here. It's pretty customizable too. You get this cubby space right there that is also finished in that same mesh texture. You get wireless charging right here, 2 USB ports there. Thankfully there are still some shortcut buttons here. This is the gear selector. This is your volume knob. You have your front and rear defrost. Your camera button is right there with the parking sensors. This one is for the ADAS, so driver assistance system. take it for a drive. Let's put it in D. Just click this knob right there. Feels very retro. The driver gets a leather-wrapped 3-spoke design steering wheel with some chunky bolsters. Let's put it to go-kart. You get artificial sound coming in. Okay, yeah, I do feel the softer steering now. Okay. But the power is just there, it's very instant. Again, this is an electric vehicle, so as expected. The suspension also feel a bit stiff. It feels very planted. Visibility throughout the front is quite good. At the rear you do get a decent amount of visibility. Wow, it sounds like a spaceship. Brake feel is pretty good, doesn't feel artificial. Now I'm noticing that this A-pillar is a bit of a hindrance when you're turning. I wonder if we put it to green, if it will change the characteristics of the vehicle.
Para sir, makita mo siya
yes, efficient.
Green mode pagka
sige,
nag high speed ka. Lalabas siya sir, Jaguar.
Ha?
Try mo sir.
Oh wow! That's a very British Easter egg right there. But still, it still feels pretty brisk and fast and responsive. It drives like a Mini. Now I do have to say the steering wheel feels a bit too chunky for me, the bolsters. And by far, I think this is one of the fun electric vehicles that I've driven. I do wish it does have paddle shifters, but again, why would I need it? Thankfully, they're still offering the ICE Mini, yeah, the Cooper S. There you go, you can see the Jaguar because we're using battery power like a Jaguar. Yeah, but when you're being efficient, it will show a little hummingbird. Yeah. There's also a nice power meter right here. Don't get the artificial sound like in go-kart, but still it's pretty quick and it's not as responsive because again, you know, the main purpose of this mode is efficiency. I want to move to timeless because you get the classic. Yeah. I like it. It's very retro and just like with old minis, the whole gauge is right in the middle.
Also, equipped na rin siya ng navigation.
Oh yeah, built in.
Google Maps, so
oh.
Even without our phones connected with the car,
okay, you can still.
Navigation.
That's pretty cool. So built-in navigation powered by Google Maps. Artificial sound wave. Parang ano. Has a different sound than go-kart. See, that's the thing with this car. It's electric, but it still makes it a fun electric car to drive.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah,
Unique, yeah, and
unique
fun
pa
to
rin.
drive. Yeah. So the range, what's the range for
400
this?
kilometers up to.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and that's from 0
Pretty
to
average.
100.
Okay.
So, magpipeak siya sir around 380 to 375.
Oh.
But everything is on aircon, speakers.
So still decent considering. Let's do a horn test right here. Ooh, very premium. So to put the vehicle in park, just press this P button and it automatically engages the parking brake as well. Now to turn off the car, just flick this button right here again. I really like it. It has that retro feel and has that sensation that you're twisting a key. So now that it's turned off, the air conditioning is still on, but don't worry, that's just the pre-cool system. Open the doors. Okay guys, that was a POV drive of the Mini Cooper SE. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.